Okay, let's tell me this posture name. Mountain pose. This one. Mountain pose. Namaste, this is Teacher Deep and you are watching Day by Day Posture Explanation.
So the confusion exists because Tadasana and Adho Mukha Svanasana are called mountain pose in different edition, but they are not the same posture and the symbolize different qualities. Then why the both called mountain pose? The answer lies in translation versus symbolism. The Tadasana is literally palm tree pose or tall mountain pose depending on interpretation. And Adho Mukha Svanasana literally means downward facing dog. Neither Sanskrit name literally translate to mountain pose in the same way that Parvatasana does. So let's take the first one, Tadasana. Sanskrit meaning of Tadasana. There are two accepted interpretations. First one, Tada equal to palm tree is standing for palm tree. And second, if I take the Tada again, so it's some modern interpretation equal to mountain or lofty height. So historically, many Sanskrit scholars interprets Tadasana as palm tree pose, while modern yoga often interprets it's a mountain pose because of the body's tall, stable, upright form. Now take the second one, Adho Mukha Svanasana. If I divide in the Sanskrit based, there is a four part. First Adho, second Mukha, third Svana, fourth Asana. So first Adho means downward, Mukha means face, Svana means dog, and Asana, as we all know, posture. And it's a symbolism of a natural stage of a dog after resting. So the question is, why does some teachers call Adho Mukha Svanasana as mountain pose? Mainly because of its shape, not its Sanskrit meanings. So from the shape, the body resembled a mountain. So this visual resemblance leads some modern school to use the English nickname mountain pose, especially in children's yoga and some style of Surya Namaskara. So now the question, why do most modern school call Tadasana as mountain pose? When standing upright, feet are firmly rooted, spine is tall, body is steady and unmoving, like a mountain, stable, balanced and grounded. So the English name emphasizes the quality of steadiness. Even though the Sanskrit word Tadasana does not literally means mountain in the same way Parvatasana does. So why the confusion? Different yoga tradition use different English name. Iyengar yoga, Tadasana equal to mountain pose. Adho Mukha Svanasana equal to downward facing dog. And many Vinyasa Ashtanga schools same like that. And some Sivananda and older Surya Namaskara tradition, the inverted V position may be called Parvatasana or mountain pose because of the mountain like shape. So which terminology should I use? If I teaching the classical Hatha Yoga, it's best to use the original Sanskrit names of explain any English nickname like Tadasana, Adho Mukha Svanasana or Parvatasana, where the Tadasana is upright standing posture, commonly called mountain pose in modern yoga, where the Adho Mukha Svanasana is downward facing dog, and the Parvatasana literally mountain pose in classical text in refer to a different posture, while some Surya Namaskara tradition use it for the inverted V position. This approach is historically accurate while also helping students understand why different yoga schools use different name for similar or different postures. I hope right now you are a little bit clear about this Adho Mukha Svanasana or Tadasana or the seated mountain pose, which is in lotus position. Place your hands upright. So this all are totally different. So you need to understand why it's called mountain pose. This all are called mountain pose, but this is a specific reason for that we are called it mountain pose. And obviously Share this video if you like it. Subscribe my channel if you are on the Facebook. So try to follow me and share this video to your friends. And obviously ask me what posture I should take for the next to explain. Namaste. Thank you. Dhanyavad.